This training video will show you how to perform a treatment using the ClearLift 1064nm CVD and focus tips and the 532nm 3 and 4mm tips on the Harmony XL Pro Special Edition. Setting up. Connect the ClearLift applicator into the port by inserting the connector, ensuring the screw is horizontal when connecting. Turn the screw clockwise to lock in the applicator. Laser handpieces are most secured on the V-shaped applicator holder. Lead with the umbilical cord down to securely rest the applicator. Ensure the red safety button is released. If not, swivel to release. Turn the key and tap Start on the welcome screen. The system automatically identifies the connected applicator. The laser module ClearLift is displayed on the operating screen. The tips can be connected in one orientation onto the applicator. Once the tip is in position, screw the outer attachment ring in a clockwise direction. The tip will be recognised on the screen. 532nm KTP tips can also be used on the ClearLift applicator. 532nm is optimal for removing red and orange tattoos and treating superficial pigmentation. The spot size will be displayed on the screen. When using the CVD tip, select the spot size based on the size of the target. You need to manually set the spot size on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10mm spot sizes are available. PRR or pulse repetition rate can be toggled from 1 to 4 Hz. This will deliver 1, 2, 3 or 4 consecutive pulses per second when the foot pedal and hand trigger are pressed. Fluence is adjusted with the arrows. The maximum energy is 2,400 mJ per pulse when working at 1 to 3 Hz and up to 1,200 mJ per pulse when working at 4 Hz. The total energy accumulated during the treatment is recorded here. The home icon will take you back to the welcome screen. The treatment. Clean the treatment area. Remove all cosmetics, deodorant, moisturizer and any other topicals on the skin and remove any jewelry. Appropriate safety goggles for 1064nm or 532nm wavelength must be worn. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the client. Perform a skin test prior to the complete treatment. Set parameters according to the operating manual. When using 532nm, always start with the lowest fluence. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure to wrist with the safety strap. Switch to ready mode by pressing the standby button in order to start the treatment. The indicator lamp will flash. Position the tip perpendicular to the tattoo or pigmentation. Activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the hand trigger once. Cover the pigmentation or tattoo, ensuring no more than 10% overlap. Do not double pulse over an area. Work in the frequency most suitable for you. For tattoo removal, the clinical endpoint should be frosting, followed by edema and pinpoint bleeding, and then erythema. If frosting is not observed, stop the treatment and increase the fluence. To alter parameters, the device must be in standby. Frosting is not always observed when treating pigmentation or faded tattoos. In this case, darkening of the lesion should be observed. Cold air can be used to reduce discomfort during the procedure. At the end of the treatment, set the platform back to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. Apply a barrier cream that is not occlusive. Occlusive ointments trap heat into the skin, which can increase post-treatment complications. Dress the area if necessary and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions. The recommended number of treatments for pigmented lesions is 3 to 6. Treatment intervals should be between 3 to 4 weeks. The recommended number of treatments for tattoos is 8 to 12. treatment intervals should be between 8 to 12 weeks. Cleaning. After the treatment, use 70% alcohol to clean the tips. Do not clean the lens of the tip with alcohol. 70% alcohol on a soft cotton cloth can also be used to clean the handpiece, umbilical cord, and console. Clean the lens after the treatment, inspect it for any dirt or debris. Apply the dust cap back onto the applicator when not in use.